Sometimes I get a sample like this that impresses me. And let me show you why. I've seen a lot of toiletry travel sets, and this one, look, I was like, oh, you can press it. They're usually like a hard plastic. This one has the clear bag, so when you're going through, all the things. It has different ways that you can store things. You can put lotions in there. It has 4 of those. This is a 21-piece set. I think these are what impressed me the most. Those, look, you can press. So when you put your shampoo or your conditioner, usually it's a hard bottle and you can't get all of it out. You're like, this, you can squeeze it. And I've not seen when you can squeeze like that. I am really impressed with that. I think that'll be really helpful when I'm on a cruise, because I always take my own shampoo and conditioner with me on a cruise because yes, they supply it, but it's usually shampoo, hair conditioner, and body lotion all in one. So I usually have my own shampoo that I know works on my hair. See, we also have these little pump bottles that you can use. So that's cool. There's a funnel for getting all of your lotions and potions into your bottles if you need to, especially these little tiny bottles. Not everything comes with that. It comes with some pre-printed labels and ones you can print your own things on, which is great because you might have things that aren't on this. It comes with 2 spray bottles. So if you've got like toner or something, you can put it in there and spray it on and not have to carry the big bottle with you. It comes with these nifty toothbrush covers. I didn't know what this was, but it's a toothbrush cover and it's silicone, so it's soft. That's kind of cool. And it's got 4 of those, so enough for the family. And it comes with 2 of these. It calls them a trowel. I think it's like a little spatula thing. It's so you can wipe out your little containers so you can get everything out of there. I really like that. And this has a little top on it, so it keeps everything from getting on the actual top. But you can scrape all your stuff out of there, because if you're going to travel for a couple of days, you might need to do that. I don't know. This is really cool, though. I really like this set. They're TSA approved with a 4-layer leak-proof design, which is really cool, and they're food safe BPA. Check these out for yourself. I would buy these with my own money if I saw them, and now you know they're all squishy. I love that. These are going to go on lots of trips with me.